Talk about a close call in space. 3 Chinese astronauts were supposed to head back to Earth, but their ride home got dinged up by space junk. Can you believe it? They were stranded up there in the Tiangong space station for an extra week. So, here's what went down. The crew, Chen Dong, Chen Zhongrui, and Wang Jie had finished their 6-month mission and were all set to return on November 5th. But then, disaster almost struck. Their return capsule, part of the Chen Zhongrui spacecraft, got hit by space debris. China's manned space engineering office found minor cracks in a window. Now, when we say space debris, we're talking about millions of tiny pieces of junk, leftovers from old launches and collisions, zipping round Earth faster than a bullet. A tiny piece can cause huge damage. Imagine a small pebble hitting your car windshield on the highway, but multiply that speed by thousands. It's a serious risk for satellites, space stations, and especially the astronauts. Thankfully, there was a backup plan. A new crew had just arrived on November 1st aboard the Chen Zhongrui spacecraft. So, Mission Control decided to switch things up. The returning astronauts would use the newer, undamaged Chen Zhongrui to come home, while the original Chen Zhongrui spacecraft would stay docked at the station for now. It was a quick-thinking solution to a very dangerous problem. On Friday, they finally undocked and began their journey back to Earth. Their capsule is expected to land in a remote area of Inner Mongolia. Despite the unexpected delay and the high-stakes situation, the space agency reported that the crew was in good condition the whole time, just working and living as usual. It's a real testament to their training and the ground team's support. This incident highlights a growing problem in space exploration: the sheer amount of junk orbiting our planet. As more countries and private companies launch rockets and satellites, the risk of collisions just keeps going up. China's space program has been making incredible strides. They built their own space station, Tiangong, and have ambitious plans to land astronauts on the moon by 2030. These missions are pushing the boundaries of science. For instance, the latest mission that brought up the replacement crew also ferried from ice to the station to study the effects of weightlessness. For now, though, the biggest news is the safe return of these 3 astronauts after a very tense week. It's a huge relief for everyone involved. What do you think about the growing issue of space debris? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more space news.